After failing to get his name expunged from the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights report on the post-election violence, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Finance Uhuru Kenyatta has now made known his intention to appeal against the ruling. Uhuru says he is dissatisfied with the June 11th ruling, which made it clear that the court could not expunge a section of the report. Uhuru had sued KNCHR for mentioning him in the report without being given a chance to defend himself. Meanwhile, Nairobi Chief Magistrate Gilbert Mutembei today declined to hear evidence from Cherangani MP Joshua Kutuny in a case where a woman has been charged with the theft of a motor vehicle worth 2.2 million shillings. Kutuny, who had taken to the witness box as a first witness in the case, was stood down after it emerged that the stolen car, a Toyota Prado, had been sold to him. Mutembei said he would not admit his evidence and asked the prosecution to bring in other witnesses. Still in the same court, the prosecution today urged the court to put former Mandera Central MP Bill Okero on his defense in a case where he is charged with incitement, saying they had managed to establish a case against him. Chief Prosecutor Ernest Marende, who was giving his final submissions in the case, told the court that the prosecution had managed to establish a case against the former legislator and he should prove them wrong. On his part, however, Okero said it was the prosecution to prove the charges leveled against him. The court is set to make a ruling on whether Okero has a case to answer on the 14th of July. And finally, 3 administration police officers were arraigned in court and charged with the murder of a former Central Bank of Kenya employee. David Mburu, Kainga Thianjuri and Saulo Masha were, however, not required to plead to the charges, as their lawyer Cliff Ombeta required more time to go through their files before they answered to charges. The 3 were accused of killing Ernest Marende on the 3rd of August in 2007. They will appear in court on the 21st of July to plead to the charges.